2, 1, rebuild!
And now the Ultimate Spirit has just started. Both Lions robots entering the neutral zone, collecting fuel and taking it straight back in their own zone as Blue Lions is in the lead with shooting fuel 89. 69-89 is collecting fuel again and taking back in their own zone. As for Red Lions, 87-25 is collecting fuel and shooting into their hub as fast as possible. And now the transition shift just started. Both Lions is collecting fuel and taking straight back in their own zone as 87-25 is pushing fuel into their zone. On the other side, 80-84 from Red Alliance is shooting fuel into their hub. On the other hand, looking 69-89 seems to be not moving, while their two other robots, 113-00 and 64-17 is collecting fuel and pushing fuel into their own zone. Now at Red again, Red Alliance moving fast as 80-84 is collecting fuel and sending in their hub. As the other two robots of Red Alliance is collecting fuel and shooting in their hub. Blue Alliance, 64-89 is collecting fuel on 64-17 is also collecting fuel and shooting it into their own hub. Both alliances rushing and collecting fuel as much as they can, taking it back in their own zone. As less than 1.5 minutes remaining, both alliances are close in score as Blue Alliance is in the lead. Red Alliance on the other hand, 80-84, 80-42, both are collecting fuel and shooting into their own hub. On the other hand, Blue Alliance's robots are collecting fuel and taking it back in their own zone. Red Alliance collecting fuel and shooting in their hub as fast as they can, and they're shooting non-stop. As less than 1 minute remaining, Red Alliance is now in the lead. And now the turn is on Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance is shooting in their hub, both robots at the same time. This is teamwork on top. And slowly Blue is trying to catch up as Red Alliance is still in the lead. Both Alliances collecting as much as fuel as they can. Both Alliances in a rush as less than 1 minute remaining, and Blue Alliance is in the lead. And now endgame has started, less than 30 seconds remaining. These are your last seconds to collect as much as fuel as possible to shoot into your own fuels. Both Alliances in a rush as 87-25 from Red Alliance is shooting fuel and collecting fuel at the same time, and less than 15 seconds remaining. Both Alliances moving as fast as possible. As Blue Alliance, all robots are moving and shooting fuel at the same time. And last 5 seconds, shooting your last fuels. And 3, 2, 1. Having 232 points and Red Alliance having 223 points, as Blue Alliance having